Jungle.
ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮತ್ತು ಆಧುನಿಕ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಸಮನ್ವಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಸ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತೋರಿಸುವ ತಂತ್ರದೀಪ್ತಿ 2026 ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನ ಗಂಗಾವತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾನಗರದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಅಮರ್ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ದೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಸ್.ವಿ. ಸವಡಿ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಾಶ್ರಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ದ ಈ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ದೇಶದ ವಿವಿಧ ಭಾಗಗಳಿಂದ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು, ವೈದ್ಯರು ಹಾಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಾದರು. ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನದ ಆರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ ಗಣ್ಯರನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ಣಕುಂಭ ಸಾಂಪ್ರದಾಯಿಕ ಬಾಜಾ ಭಜಂತ್ರಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಭವ್ಯ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದರು. ಬಳಿಕ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ ಕಿಮ್ಸ್ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ವಿಜಯನಾಥ ಇಟಗಿ ಅವರು ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಿದರು. ನಂತರ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದ ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಆಧುನಿಕ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಂಯೋಜಿಸುವ ಇಂತಹ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನಗಳು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕ ಚಿಂತನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಮನೋಭಾವ ಬೆಳೆಸಲು ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಗಲಿವೆ ಎಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಪಟ್ಟರು.
Not only whenever I talk, whenever I take lectures in our college, I start with this one, that most whatever that we know related to the neuroanatomy, it is only 40%. That means neurobiologist doesn't know what is the next 60%. That much it is a hidden, undiscovered, unexplored topic. Even if you look at the Samhitas, there is very less reference related to the nervous system. They have told in terms of Majja, in terms of Rasa, like you say, Nadi, etc., etc. But all these subjects, all these topics are scattered. They are not in a single way. So this is the reason why we took this topic to compile, to pile it up, to make a single context and to discuss this on this platform. And that's the reason why we have called batchmate Dr. Ramita Madam. She's going to talk on the loopholes, lacunas, challenges of neuro-related Ayurveda in the today's platform. And in the afternoon, like I said, my senior colleague Dr. Sitaram sir is going to do the craniotomy, where he gonna teach us the simplest way of dissecting the craniotomy, which is the difficult job actually that we usually experience as an anatomist. So he's gonna do it in a very simplified way, and he's gonna explain. Not only that one, apart from just like any other or any other seminars where only the lectures are cost concentrated, unlike that, we from Spurti Ayurvedic College also offering so many events, so many competitions as well, to entertain, to give knowledge to our delegates as well. We have scientific paper presentation, we have quiz competition as well. We have our students to show their creativity and talent. They are going to show you their talent through drawing competition and through model competition as well. I am very sure that the coordinators and the delegates who have come across the state and across the India, right, are going to enjoy the lump sum amount of knowledge that we are offering from Spurti group of institutions. I just want, before I leave the stage, I just want one thing to be implemented in the delegates. Tomorrow, in future, when you start practicing, teaching or whatever you do, whenever you think about the neuroanatomy, you need to think about the Spurti Ayurvedic College National Conference. That's exactly our motto is. That's what you're gonna enjoy today. Thank you so much. Once again, welcome you.
Because Gangavati, for me, is always a learning place. I started my journey towards this district in 2014, sir. And I had an opportunity to meet Saudi, sir. And I don't know the bonding. Always, whenever we have any interactions, to be very honest, and 99% of that interactions will be related to the academics, and he is the one who will be giving me an holding hand or a helping hand when it comes to my small institute called Koppal Institute of Medical Science, where I represent from. And those memories always haunts me. And always I am available for Saudi sir and his team. And today it's an honor to be in front of you for this memorable event that is a National Neuroanatomy Conference. And inaugurating this academic event is really a big milestone in the institute. And I appreciate the efforts of the management, the principal and the organizing committee for this hard work and bringing all of us together here, especially the experts, the teachers and the researchers and the young learners on the common platform. This is really a great opportunity for all of us to ignite our mind and to learn the new developments in the field of neuroanatomy. And this neuroanatomy is the foundation of neuroscience. And this is a bridge or a connect between the basic science to that of the clinical disciplines, which includes the broad specialty, which includes the super specialty also. If I name few departments like neurology, neurosurgery, psychiatry, and neuroimaging, etc., etc. And these are the departments where we will be connected heavily with the neuroanatomy. And any development when it comes to the diagnosis or when it comes to the treatment, the advancement of this area is tremendous because it's a fascinating field, it is a rapidly evolving field. And as one of my young speaker was mentioning, if I am not wrong, Mr. Mohan sir, and he was mentioning, okay, still the huge volume of the brain is misery to all of us when it comes to today's date also. And this field is really fascinating to all of us. And when it comes to the today's achievements in the technology and the traditional way of learning anatomy was a dissection in my days and your days also. Now we have crossed all those traditional methodology, and now with the huge technology behind us, and all of you are aware of, especially the young generation, you are aware of AI, that is artificial intelligence, robot surgeries, etc., etc. And for these all developments around us, and we should upgrade our knowledge, we should keep on learning, and age is not a limit for learning, because these AI should be always an assistant for us. If we permit the AI to take over, then we will be in a receiving end until and unless we are sound enough in our knowledge, and definitely we will not be taking on these challenges in front of us. And today's conference is a platform to all of us to learn about the global neurological disorders, especially nowadays we are finding young Indians, because many times we say that it is a young population of so and so crores of population, but young population is struggling to keep a good health here. That is the challenges in front of the health system. And today number of cases what we see in our hospital, because we encounter around 1500 to 2000 patients every day in King's Kopar District Hospital. And many patients we see with the neurological disorders, especially the stroke and when it comes to Alzheimer's diseases, Parkinsonism, etc., etc. These are all the areas where the neuroanatomy comes in a picture for its diagnosis and treatments. And having this background of talk, we all expect and we learn from this today's neuroanatomy conference. Because for me allocated time is only 3 minutes, sir. I will extend your time. Thank you once again, and I wish everyone good luck and good time to all.
Thank you, sir. Now I request all the delegates to felicitate our today's chief guest, Dr. Vijayanath Pidigi, sir.
It is my great privilege to meet our esteemed guest speaker, Dr. Vijayanath Pidigi, Dean and Director of Koppal Institute of Medical Sciences, Koppal. Dr. Pidigi completed his MBBS at Medical College, Davangere, with over 25 years of distinguished experience in medical education, administration, and clinical practice. He has served in several key leadership roles, including principal, professor, head of the department, and currently as a dean and a director at King's Koppal. He has published more than 50 research papers in the national and international journals and has presented his work at over 100 conferences. In recognition of his exceptional contributions to President Award 2024, now, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in extending a warm welcome to our guest speaker, Dr. Vijayanath Pidigi.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Karmudi, sir, Principal, Purnima Ayurveda Medical College, to be please seated on the dais, sir. I welcome Dr. Karmudi, sir, on the dais. I request Dr. Vinod, sir, to welcome Dr. Karmudi, sir, with flowers honor as a token of love and gratitude. Giving lectures. I heard that one live demo is there, no, Mohan sir? Live dissection demo is there for you. A very wonderful learning event is being arranged in our institution. I am very proud of my all teaching and non-teaching team who have taken a lot of strain in organizing this national level conference. Even though our institution is a new institution, these people have arranged it in a very good manner. I really appreciate all the team which is working behind the screen for all these events. I request all of you to upgrade your knowledge and be attentive. Whole of the day you let this conference be successful, and it should be a milestone in the developments of Spurti group of institutions. I request especially the teaching team, Dr. Mohan and other team, to concentrate on the purpose for which we have been arranging these things. So let me not waste the time. I wish you all the best, and I wish a grand success to this event. And I really appreciate all my family members like Dr. Karmudi and Dr. Raju. Many of the family members are here. I personally thank all of them for coming over here and giving a good support to our institution for the future endeavors. So I thank everybody. I thank all the students. I ask excuse for any inconvenience on behalf of the management, because this is the first conference we are arranging in our institution. Let us learn from this conference, and we'll go ahead with the good things in future. Thank you one and all.
Thrilled and immensely proud to see your institution, see your vision manifest into reality as you host Tantra Deepti 2026, the national conference on Tantra Sharira and Neuroanatomy, right here at our institution in Gangavati. Seeing such a distinct galaxy of minds, clinicians, scholars gathered under one roof fills my heart with boundless energy and optimism in the future of medical knowledge. Neuroanatomy and Tantra Sharira represent one of the most integrated, fascinating and vital domains of human science. Understanding the neural architecture, the subtle and yet powerful network that governs every thought, movement and human experience is fundamental to advancing modern medicine and holistic healthcare. Bringing this level of national discourse, academic rigor and research to our institution marks a historic milestone in our journey toward academic excellence. At this juncture, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to organizing committee, especially Dr. Basra Saudi sir, Dr. Mohan, and so many hands behind the scenes, faculty members, volunteers, and every single person who worked tirelessly behind the scenes. Bringing a national level conference of this scale to life requires extraordinary dedication, seamless teamwork, and relentless spirit. You have put in your long hours and immense effort. Seeing this grand vision come to fruition today is a testament to your dedication and commitment. You have made all of us at Spurti Group profoundly proud. To our delegates and young researchers who have traveled from various parts of the nation across our state, this platform is built for you. I encourage you to immerse yourselves completely over the course of this conference, engage in vibrant debates, exchange innovative ideas, and challenge existing paradigms, and build network that will drive future. Conference on the bunch of knowledge is going to exhibit in this conference, and because of Atreya Ayurveda Foundation and Spurti Ayurveda Medical College. See, first of all, I would like to congratulate the Saudi family for taking an initiation to establish the Ayurveda Medical College in Gangavati, because nobody is ready to take the initiation in the remote places. They have taken very well initiation to establish this, and they have got success. Why success has become? How this success became in Gangavati? Always, for each and every one, there must be a blessings of Ishvara. Obviously, Ishwar sir in Spurti Ayurveda Medical College, knowingly or unknowingly given blessings, and he giving always
in every temple, Ishvara temple, Ishvara will be inside and Nandi will be outside. It's called as Basavana. Always Ishvara and giving blessings and Nandi gives green signal. In the same way, both the brothers have taken initiation to establish this wonderful Ayurveda Medical College. And on behalf of the university, I wish them all the best for future endeavors. And one more thing, this Tantra Deepti, sir told, this is the first conference after establishing the Spurti Ayurveda Medical College. Why? Because conducting conferences, that are national level conferences, it is not so easy in remote places. Still, they have taken initiation. This Tantra Deepti, particularly on neuroanatomy, and that all the techniques what they are using today, it is broadcasting to all over the country. And Tantra means the techniques. Deepti means some lighting or flame or brightness to the science. Hope all the delegates will take the take home points and some knowledge from this conference. Usually, success will not come always in Kannada. DVC says one quote that Kadedane Madalu ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಣದ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ತೇಲಿ ಬರುವಂತೆ ಬಹಳ ಈ ಜಗದ ಮಂತ್ರವು ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆತ್ಮದಿಂದ ಆತ್ಮಬುದ್ಧಿ ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ. Why? Because before when milk becomes curd, after mantana or churning, immediately you are not going to get a butter. After the mantana only, some time we are getting the butter and we are using for various purposes. In the same way, the students are taking the knowledge in the beginning. After that, they will become ambassadors of this school medical college, and they will give the knowledge what they have taken from here. I congratulate to all the organizers of this Tantra Deepti and all the delegates who have taken initiation to come over here for getting the knowledge. I congratulate them, and finally, once again, I wish you all the best for the future endeavors to take a new initiation, all the management of Spurti Ayurveda Medical College and the staff, non-teaching staff and students who have taken participation in this very actively. All the best.
Think what our national seminar is organized on neuroanatomy. That the most tantra, in the name of Tantra Deepti, the complex structure of the neuroanatomy understanding is really difficult, and the name is even Tantra of that understanding neuro with the Deepti, which is thrown by light with the two resourceful persons. I think I request all of you to enjoy the most important topic. I being the surgical person, anatomy is the first, because one of my beloved teacher in front of me, Dr. B.B. Murun, and my other friends are here, from which I learned anatomy, and it is very essential to a person. I think this is enough. This 1 minute time is over. Once again, I congratulate for giving this opportunity, and I congratulate all the organizers. Thank you.
ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನದ ಕುರಿತು ವಿವರಿಸಿದ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲ ಡಾ ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ಸವಡಿ, ತಂತ್ರ ಶರೀರ ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಅನಾಟಮಿ ವಿಷಯಾಧಾರಿತ ಈ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನವು ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ವಿಸ್ಡಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಪರರಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಬ ಧ್ಯೇಯವಾಕ್ಯದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದ ತಂತ್ರಶರೀರ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಆಧುನಿಕ ನರವಿಜ್ಞಾನದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಮನ್ವಯಗೊಳಿಸುವುದು, ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಅನಾಟಮಿಯ ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬಲಪಡಿಸುವುದು, ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ನಿರ್ಣಯ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನು ವೃದ್ಧಿಸುವುದು ಹಾಗೂ ಶವಚ್ಛೇದನ ಆಧಾರಿತ ಕಲಿಕೆಗೆ ಉತ್ತೇಜನೆ ನೀಡುವುದು ಈ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನದ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಉದ್ದೇಶವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಇದೇ ವೇಳೆ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದಿಕ್ ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಅನಾಟಮಿ, ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್, ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಹಲವು ಸಮಕಾಲೀನ ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಕುರಿತು ದೇಶದ ವಿವಿಧ ಭಾಗಗಳಿಂದ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವ ಖ್ಯಾತ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ತಜ್ಞರು ವಿಶೇಷ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಿದರು.
The event with a practical knowledge. This is a live demonstration workshop. It's not a theoretical. Theory is different, practical is different. National Commission of Indian Institute of Medicine is clearly mentioned that competency-based education system is in place, already enforced. It means that clinical anatomy, clinical physiology, clinical nadi pariksha, everything is already in the syllabus. On the basis of that, we have selected topic neuroanatomy. How the topic is selected means many things are happening nowadays. Many things are going nowadays. Scientifically, how to learn active in the body, and scientifically how to proceed in all the nervous system in the acting in the bodies. The demonstration, the live demonstration is an afternoon session. All neurological conditions, how to apply in the anatomy. Without nerve, anatomy is not completed. Anatomy is a human. All the organs and all the ligaments, nerves, muscles, vessels, everything is there. But the thing is, neurology is very important. How to apply in dead body. There is a dissection demonstration in the afternoon session. In the live telecast also there, we can see that who are registered in this national conference. Definitely it can be useful for you all. I promise you, I assure you, this Tantra Dipti organizing the best choice subject with a well-knowledgeable teachers with us. Well-knowledgeable, applied aspect with a knowledgeable teachers with us. So my dear registered faculty members, registered all the UG students, PG students, and all the teachers and principals, faculty members are involved here. Message is, when conducting the program is different, how to carry this, the message to your level as an endeavor. How to carry this knowledge to your professional career and your UG completion as a PG completion, that's very important. Outcome is how to carry this knowledge to this event, that's very important. In this, I, being a principal and president of Smurti Group of Institute, I most thanks to our dignitaries, Director Medical College Koppal. I thank you in behalf of Smurti Institution for involved and successful event. I thank you Dr. Ishwar Saudi DHU, Health and Family Welfare, involved and successful event. I thank you Nirmala Saudi. He is a backbone of this institute, a chairman of this institute. I thank you involved and successful event. I thank you Savita Saudi and to involve this event. I thank you our friends. University friends are all the universities are here. Just imagine. BUS chairman, dean, all the senate members authorized by you, authorized by this conference. This is very important. This conference authorized by the university dean, authorized by the senate, is the highest body in the Rajiv Gandhi University. All our friends like Dr. Konavati, senior senate member, my close friend Dr. Shankar Gowda, my colleague, one more
Senate member Kiran Kumar Kempegowda. These are our friends, these are all. And Sanjay also my friend, he is the Dean of our Ayurveda faculty, total Ayush faculty in Rajiv Gandhi University, and also PGBOA chairman with us. I thank all the university people to address, to authorize and to witness of this wonderful event. I thank all the dignitaries, university people, authorize to, and I requested them to attend this function. On the basis of my request, all are attended and complete this process.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಕುಟುಂಬ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಶ್ವರ್ ಸವಡಿ, ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ ಕಿಮ್ಸ್ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಜಯನಾಥ ಇಟಗಿ, ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಗಳ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಡೀನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಂಜಯ್ ಕೆಎಸ್, ಸೆನೆಟ್ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಂಕನಗೌಡ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಕೋನರೆಡ್ಡಿ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಕೆಂಪೇಗೌಡ, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಿವಿ ಲೀಲಾಧರ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿದ್ದನಗೌಡ ಎ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಸಮೂಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷೆ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಸವಡಿ, ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸವಿತಾ ಸವಡಿ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸತೀಶ್ ರಾಯ್ಕರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಉಮೇಶ್ ಪುರದ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಗಣ್ಯರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.